So ऐसे क्रशेस ना हर दूसरे तीसरे दिन बदलना मेरी हॉबी है.
Have I been missing your letters? Did you write me at all? Or have I just forgotten how hard?
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is me Priya, and in today's video we are going to answer some first time tag questions. So here I have some random questions. There are about 25 or 26 questions and we are going to answer them. So the first question here is the first app you check when you wake up in the morning. So the first app I check in the morning is WhatsApp. So it's 90% WhatsApp and 10% Instagram. So कभी कभी जब नई रील अपलोड की हो तो मैं Instagram भी चेक कर लेती हूँ. Then the second question is first broken bone. First broken bone, आज तक कोई हड्डी नहीं तोड़वाई मैंने, so there is no first broken bone. Then let's move to the third one, which says first Instagram post. So I have prepared for this question. My first Instagram post is here. So I'll also attach a screenshot somewhere on this screen, like here or here, so you can have a look. And also do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll link it in the bottom bar. Then let's move to the next one, which says a first makeup item. So I am not a makeup junkie, but as far as I remember, my first makeup item was a lip balm, maybe, because since I don't use so much makeup, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, so मुझे याद नहीं रहता इसलिए. Then the fifth question here is my first time when I got into a trouble at home or at school. So यार मैं बहुत शरीफ बच्ची थी, मैं बिल्कुल शैतानी नहीं करती थी. मतलब I was not a teacher's pet, I was an average student, but I was not a naughty kid. मैं बहुत शरीफ थी इस मैटर में, किसी से पंगे नहीं लिए मैंने. Then the sixth question is first YouTuber you subscribed to. So the first YouTuber I subscribed was Shreya Jain. She has a makeup channel and she's a really good YouTuber. And मैं Shreya Jain को almost like 4 या 5 years से follow कर रही हूँ. And even today I am still subscribed to her channel and I still love her content. So the next question here says first time you went on shopping on your own. So the first time I went on shopping on my own was in my first year of college, which was around 2014. So I went to, I guess, Sarojini maybe. I don't remember clearly. Either it was Sarojini or Janpath. So that was the first time I went shopping on my own. So yeah, that was the experience. Then the next question is my first celebrity crush. So my first celebrity crush was a very long-term crush. So I had crush on that celebrity for almost like good 4-5 years, या उससे भी ज़्यादा. And that celebrity is television host Aditya Narayan. So I had a huge crush on him. फिर वो crush खत्म हो गया क्योंकि उसकी शादी हो गई. Then my first crush, कोई था, पता नहीं. Like if you ask my first celebrity crush, then it was Aditya Narayan. But first crush in real life होते रहते हैं, इसलिए मुझे याद नहीं है. Then the next question is my first ever cell phone. So मुझे अभी भी याद है, मेरा first cell phone was छोटू सा Zen का phone, which I ordered from some home shopping channel. And that was an experiment. So we were trying to experiment कि ऐसा कुछ like वो घर पे deliver करेंगे भी या नहीं. So we ordered that phone and the cost for that phone was around 2000. और मैंने उसको like 2 साल use कर लिया था. So in my first year of college, like at least in my first semester, I used that phone. And after my first semester, I got a new phone, जो कि मैंने खुद ही खरीदा था. Next question, my first friend in college. So my first friend in college, या कॉलेज के बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं, फर्स्ट तो याद रखना बहुत मुश्किल है, but still as far as I remember, my first friend from college is, and I'm saying is because he's still my friend and he is my best friend and his name is Rishabh. So yes. As far as I remember, he is my first college friend. अगर कोई और हो तो प्लीज कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे गालियां मत देना, पर्सनली मैसेज कर लेना. माई फर्स्ट हार्ट ब्रेक. कौन सा वाला हार्ट ब्रेक चाहिए, इंसान वाला या चीज़ों वाला? क्योंकि मेरा तो होता रहता है. एज आई सेड, क्रश होते रहते हैं, वैसे ही हार्ट ब्रेक भी होता रहता है. सो एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर फर्स्ट हार्ट ब्रेक, मे बी इन 2015, मे बी, और 16, नहीं याद है मुझे, रहने दो. Then the next question, my first job. So if I don't count my internship, then my first job was and is at Amazon India. But if I count my internship, then my first job was an SEO executive in a company in Noida. So yes, that was my first job. Then my first language. So it is very easy. My first language is Hindi. And yes, also I am multilingual, so I know multiple languages, maybe like 5 or 6. So the next question is my first piercing and when did I get it? So my first piercing was ear piercing. Right now I'm not wearing anything, but yes, that was my first piercing and I got it when I was around 5 years old, so maybe in the year 2000. So it was that old. The next question is my first YouTube video. So if you know me, मैंने थोड़े टाइम तक YouTube पे वीडियोस अपलोड किए थे रेगुलरली. देन आई स्टॉप्ड अपलोडिंग वीडियोस फॉर अराउंड लाइक गुड 2.5 years. एंड मैंने वापस से लास्ट ईयर अगस्त में स्टार्ट किया. सो माई फर्स्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो वॉज अ कॉलेज परफॉर्मेंस एज फार एज आई रिमेंबर. लेट मी चेक इट फॉर यू. सो दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट video on YouTube. I'll link this video in the I button at top here or in the description box, so please check it out. It was a college performance video. And the fun part about that video is that was my first time participating in a dance competition. Like I'm not a dancer and I am not very much into dancing. थोड़ा बहुत चलता है but इतना नहीं. Still, that was my first time participating in a competition, and luckily my team won second position on a district level dance competition, so it was a surprise for me. The next question is the first book I remember reading. So there was a time when I was a very avid reader and I used to read like day and night. Like एक novel maximum 1 या 2 दिन में I used to finish it. But अभी आजकल तो I am not able to read it that much. But as far as I remember, the first book I read was Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. So that was my first book, and right after reading that book, I saw the movie. So yeah. Then the next question here is the first person you text when something exciting happens. So वैसे तो मेरी life बिल्कुल exciting नहीं है, especially आजकल. But still, अगर कुछ exciting होता है, then I text like 2 or 3 people, and they are very close to me. Like even in this pandemic, we are pretty much connected. My friend Ruksar, my best friend Rishabh, and then my friend Vineet. We 3 are these 3 people, they don't know each other, but I know all 3 of them, and all 3 of them are very close to me. So yes, whenever something exciting happens, I text all 3 people at once. कभी कभी तो मैं कॉल करके परेशान भी करती हूँ, वो भी रात को 2 बजे. The next question is the first time you ever got drunk. ये याद करने वाली बात है. वो इसलिए बिकॉज कभी तो मैंने पी है नहीं. ड्रंक एक्सपीरियंस मैं कहाँ से लाऊं. So the next question is first time I got into a fist fight. So जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, I am like a very शरीफ बच्चा. मैं बचपन से ही बहुत शरीफ थी. So I never got into a fist fight. And my parents were lucky there. उनको कभी मेरी ऐसे लड़ाई झगड़े वाली शिकायत नहीं मिली स्कूल से. The next question is when was the first time you got stitches? So नहीं, मुझे कभी stitches नहीं लगे हैं, thankfully, and by God's grace मैंने अब तक खुद को stitches से बचा के रखा है. So yeah, I never got stitches. Then the next question is when was the first time you stayed up all night and watched the sunrise? So the first experience when I stayed up all night and watched the sunrise was when I started working at Amazon, because like that was the first time I worked as a night shift. So my shift ended at 4 in the morning, and I was lucky enough to witness the sunrise, which was around at 5 or 5:30. So yeah, that was the first time, and I even remember the date. It was 12th of June 2018. Yes. So the next question is, when was the first time you moved houses? So in my whole life I have moved only once. So till I was like 4 or 5 years of old, we used to live in our old house with my grandparents, and now we live in another house. So we shifted house when I was like 4 or 5. So it was so many years ago. I will not let you know how many years ago. Please मेरी age मत guess करना. So the next question here says, when was the first time you realized you are good at your job? So the first time I realized that I am good at my job was in my internship period, and I was about to finish my internship period, and then the manager who was like training me there, he said that I am going to receive a certificate for my excellent performance. So yeah, that was the first time I realized I am good at my job. The next question is, when was your first regrettable hairstyle? So my first regrettable hairstyle was very, very funny, and I'm pretty sure almost every Indian child has gone through it, and that is the famous कटोरा कट. सभी मतलब किसी ना किसी पॉइंट पे वो उनको ये रिग्रेटेबल हेयर स्टाइल से गुजरना पड़ा होगा. Even my brother, who is right behind the camera, is laughing at it. So yeah, today I have a camera director with me, and that's my brother. And the last question of the tag is, how old were you when you got your first computer? So I was in 6th or 7th standard, so almost it was when I was 11 or 12 years of age. So that's when I received my first computer, and by now I have so many systems at my place. Like I have my personal computer, I have my official computer, I have my personal laptop, one old laptop which does not work at all right now, but still it's there, and then my father's computer. So you can count in total, मैं पूरी wholesale की market लगा सकती हूँ अपने घर में. So these were all my first time tag questions. Hope you like it, and hope you got to know some more information about me. And that was all for today's video. And before going out of the video, I would request one thing which I request in almost all my videos, which is to take care of yourself in this COVID time. Please do not go outside. Use sanitizer, use mask, and take care of your health. Eat healthy. बाहर का मत खाओ. प्लीज़ अपना ख्याल रखो, एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू लाइक माई वीडियो एंड कमेंट डाउन अगर आपको मेरी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ भी अलग चाहिए तो. एंड प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, एंड आई विल सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, ta-da!